Rolls-Royce Motor Cars is a British luxury automobile manufacturer and a subsidiary of BMW. It is known for producing some of the most luxurious and prestigious vehicles in the world.
How long does it take to build a Rolls-Royce?
Most Rolls-Royce vehicles take 6 months to build because they are handcrafted by brilliant designers, engineers, and technicians. Every new Rolls-Royce can be customized according to your wants and preferences, from the exterior paint color to the interior materials used. You choose how you want your Rolls-Royce to look and feel.
Only one man has been painting all Rolls-Royce pinstripes.
Mark Court, a former sign painter, is the only person who has been painting the pinstripes on all Rolls-Royce cars since 2003. His job is the last step in the manufacturing process, and any mistakes in his work means that the all car will be repainted. But his job involves much more than just straight lines, as customers also request a variety of custom designs.
You won't hear a sound inside a Rolls.
The engineers and designers use hundreds of pounds of premium insulating materials inside the Rolls-Royce cabin to make it truly soundproof. Any outside noise is so well insulated that the analog clock that adorns the dashboard of the Rolls-Royce can be heard ticking, even when the roller is dashing well over 70 miles per hour.
About 65% of all Rolls-Royce cars ever produced are still operational.
Each year, Rolls-Royce makes between 3,000 and 5,000 cars. About 65% of all cars ever made since 1904 are still on the road, whether in original, restored, or pimped-out condition. It is mind-boggling that more than 6 out of 10 are still roadworthy. The oldest car, a 1904 Royce 10, is still in driving condition and is owned by Scottish collector Thomas Love Jr.
The logo at the center of the wheels does not spin.
When you drive a Rolls-Royce, you might anticipate a spin at the center of the wheels. However, no matter how you drive a Rolls-Royce, the center caps remain invariably upright, as they do not spin. Just like always, to stay one step ahead of the standard, the innovative center caps of the Rolls-Royce have anti-rotators, which cause the brand's mark on the wheels to always remain straight, so that the logo of Rolls-Royce stays visible at all times.
Interior leather is made purely from bulls.
The leather used in Rolls-Royce is of finest quality, and it is made sure that every inch is blemish-free. Rolls-Royce prefers using leather obtained from bulls rather than that from cows, since cow skin undergoes stretching during pregnancy. They don't want even this slightest effect to be visible in the leather, making them the best in terms of leather usage. The company works with farmers who grow bulls in conditions that boost their well-being.